Welcome back, guys. We had a delivery for some stuff that we're going to be taking to Daytona and some stuff we're going to be using here in the studio. Let's take a look at this first. This is the smallest item. Both these are just on amazing sales. This will come in to help in the studio and on the beach. It is, I think this was refurbished, so I think that's why I got it a little bit cheaper. I don't mind refurbished stuff, you guys know that. This is a 35-inch newer umbrella, which will help me get really soft light up close to the subject. And then if I'm doing, like, if the subject is sitting down, I can do full length and put it up close to them and get full length up against them without having to move the smaller umbrella backwards or so far back. So let's bring it out this way. And this is it. And these, if this is similar to the others I have, I really like the style, and I hope that it is. They make something really easy to use. It looks like it. I made sure I could send it back if it wasn't exactly what I wanted. But I believe it's going to be exactly what we're looking for. Got the diffusers and the grid. I won't worry about that right now. I'll show you that once we get it set up and we're using it. So let's take that out of here. Yes, this is what I was looking for. This will mount into your bowlings. You just pull these open till they snap, and boom, they are open, and you've got filling here for your softbox. So 35-inch softbox, much bigger, much needed, bigger softbox for us to have, for me to show you guys some softer and some better lights. So we got a deal on that. I believe that was like 60 bucks. That's a really good deal on that for newer, and it's real simple to use. So check that out. I'll leave a link. Now this item isn't so small, but this is a normally very expensive, and I got this was on sale and used and opened and half destroyed. Everything that could be wrong with it, they said was wrong. I'm kidding, but it was humongously on sale. It's a C-stand. Some of you guys know what a C-stand is, and some of you probably don't. But a C-stand is like heavy-duty stand, and it'll go over and hold the light over the subject's head. I won't try to put it together while we're on here. It'll take a while, but I'll show you. These are the legs. It has 3 legs come out on one side. That makes it really sturdy. And then you have an arm, a boom arm that comes out. That might be the boom arm, I'm not sure. Put this up before I cut myself with it. That's the stand, and here's the boom arm. So those feet go down, that comes up, this goes out, this mounts, and this will mount a light over the subject's head, or it'll hold a big umbrella in front of them or to the side. So super bargain on this. Also, I'll leave a link at the bottom, but I got the last bargain, so who knows what'll happen with that. But we got stuff coming up at the beach, and we got stuff coming up here in the studio that we're going to be using both of these for. And we've got some lighting subjects that we're going to be getting into, so I really want to have the umbrella for that. So we're going to take a deep dive into lighting very, very soon. So anyway, guys, just want to show you what we got. I appreciate it for helping you out. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave all the questions at the bottom. We will get back to you. Appreciate it. Have a great day.